Human evolution, a brief history. We return to just about quite a while back when we can follow our set of experiences back to Africa. It was way before the Homo sapiens arose on similar land. There are explicit subtleties that anthro-specialists aren't actually affirmed about, for example, how the gatherings cooperated and how they mated. Nonetheless, because of specific advancements in the logical field, the specialists can make up for various shortfalls that are not yet explained through the examination. In the event that we take a gander at the term human on a large-scale level, it will be anybody connected with the home variety. The subtleties we have with us don't precisely offer the data about the primary advancement, however, we can return to the most seasoned ones. Homo habilis. Homo habilis, otherwise known as handyman, has left its follows from 2.4 to 1.4 quite a while back in the eastern and southern pieces of the African mainland. A couple of different gatherings were likewise there, and the one closest to the handyman is Homo riddlefensis. The hints of this clan likewise recommend that they lived in the eastern part, somewhere near 1.9 to 1.8, quite a while back. Following up, the clan that has lived for a seriously lengthy is Homo erectus. These are otherwise called upright man. Researchers and anthro-specialists have tracked down their follows in a more huge region of the planet, going from South Africa to China and a few pieces of Indonesia. The dates return from practically 1.9, quite a while, back to 0.1 million years. These people likewise lived with a portion of the clans that were floated separated, and specialists have named them a very old-fashioned bunch. This happened quite a while back, and later on, there are likewise hints of these gatherings mating with the extraordinary progenitors of Denisovans and Neanderthals. Neanderthals, Denisovans, and early human. Different gatherings advanced after the very old-fashioned people, and a rundown go on with Neanderthals, Denisovans, and different ones. You ought to realize that none of these gatherings in all actuality do exist anymore. Neanderthals have the logical name Homo neanderthalensis, and anthropologists found theirs follow in the 19th 100 years. Notwithstanding, with regards to the latest found ones, Denisovans were just established in 2008. The gathering was found as of late to such an extent that there is no logical name yet given to them. In an exceptionally late disclosure, it is figured out that these two gatherings frequently mated with each other. Alongside it, there are likewise extreme bits of proof of them mating with present-day people. In an extremely late review, researchers have found that these two gatherings lived in Siberia close to quite a while back, and it is emphatically upheld by proof. In the rundown most recent revelations, anthropologists have uncovered the DNA of a 13-year-old young lady who was hiding away far from civilization. The proof traces all the way back to just about a long time back. Upon broad exploration and DNA examination, it is affirmed that her folks were from various gatherings. Her dad had a place with Denisovan, and her mom was from the Neanderthal gathering. Abilities of our ancestors. The gatherings that saw as one another in history have not quite recently imparted their qualities to one another. The gathering living in present France close to quite a while back was Neanderthal, and they are the ones who developed fire. The ability could rapidly have passed to different gatherings of a similar